After understanding what keywords are and the importance of keywords, the next step is to figure out how to use your keywords effectively. So you can use your keywords within your video script in order to optimize for those terms. And yes, Google does do, or YouTube does do, a voice to text feature within their videos, and they are able to detect your keywords within your videos. So that's why video scripting and using your keywords within video scripting is important. Also, within video optimization, in the metadata, typing in the right keywords within titles, descriptions, and tags also affects your rankings and how your video was found within search. We're going to also look at trending keywords and trending topics. So using keywords and trending topics, you can find additional videos that you need to create. So if you were creating videos about keywords, just by going into AdWords keyword planner tool and typing in keywords to get ideas, you can see the number of searches being done. So this is on Google itself, which is it is relevant as well to YouTube because they do share some of the same data, and you got to remember as well that your YouTube videos are going to be showing up within Google as well. So searches done within Google are affecting how many times your video does get viewed if it does rank for those keywords. So when typing in keywords, you can look at this and say you can make videos about keyword generators, you can make keywords about AdWords, videos about search optimization. And you can get a whole bunch of tips here about the different types of videos that you can create just in regards to using the one keyword keywords. I'll have more on this later in an upcoming video as well. So it does help you source out new ideas when it comes to using keywords. When it comes to keywords, relevance is important. Relevance to the video, to the content, and in order to get the best results for search, the keywords and keyword phrases have to be relevant to the content of the video. This is important because relevance of the keywords is essential in producing proper keyword strategies.